Hello guys, today I've got Redmi Headphones Neo and I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your iPhone. I mean not for, but on your iPhone, I hope you understand. So at first you need to open the App Store. Then here tap search. In the search bar you need to type Xiaomi Earbuds. Here we've got our application, Xiaomi Earbuds Beijing Xiaomi Co.ltd. You need to tap here this get button. I don't have this get button because I had this application installed recently, but once you tap get, you'll need to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Apple ID password or the Touch ID depending on the device you install it on. Here open, and now we've got terms and conditions. We need to agree to one thing, the second one is optional. The first one is that you have read and agreed to the Xiaomi Earbuds user agreement and Xiaomi Earbuds privacy policy before we continue. You need to tap this. The second one is to send the data for diagnostics and improving the usage of the products, which is actually useless for us. Tap agree, and here you need to select your region. Once you have it set, tap next. And here you can skip this because we don't have earbuds. Here we need to tap allow, it's required, and now tap add earphones. When we have our earphones paired with our phone, it will be easier for us. It will be available for us. As you can see, it works. I don't know why you've got here the second device like Redmi Headphones. Something is bugging here really much. Let me fix it quickly, and now somehow I did it. I performed a factory reset on them, so it works now. It was a very difficult process to do, but it works. How to perform a factory reset? You need to turn your earbuds off, headphones off by holding this button for a few seconds, for example 3 or 4, and once they are turned off, you need to keep holding this button for 10 seconds to perform a factory reset. And now it works. I needed just to repair my headphones with my iPhone. That's how it works. Goodbye.